Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read about a new topic in reference tab, and that is footnote. In previous video we have discussed about table of contents in both Hindi and English. So if you have not seen that video, then you can go to my YouTube channel and you can see the content of references tab. So today we are going to read about new topic, and that is footnote. For that, let us start our MS Word. So in references tab you can see that your footnote group is this. The first thing in footnote is insert footnote. So what is footnote? Let us understand. Anything, for example, if you don't know any meaning or you want to describe a word, then you can simply select that word and you can insert a footnote in that. For example, we have selected the video, and at the bottom of the page you can see that here is the cursor. You can write the meaning of that word. Just example, we will write the meaning. So you anything you want to describe about a word, you can use that footnote group. You can also see that whenever you will display the cursor over there, the word will be present at the top of that word. So this is the use of insert footnote. You can simply use to give a meaning of any word or relate. If you have any word or you want to show anything which will represent that word, then you can simply use the insert footnote. Basically we use to describe the meaning of that word. In many book you have seen also that, for example, in English or literature or in Hindi, you can see that if the word is difficult to understand, then at the bottom of the page their meaning are described. So in the same way you can use that insert footnote. Second thing in footnote is insert endnote. So let us first understand what is difference between footnote and endnote. Whenever you will use footnote, it will always be present at the same page bottom. Means for example, this is the first page. If you insert here any footnote, then it will be always displayed at the same page bottom margin. And whenever you will insert a endnote, then no matter wherever you are, if you are in the first page, if you are in the second page, it will be always displayed in the last of the document. For example, we'll select a word. For example, we'll select this word only, and for here we'll insert the endnote. Just click it. You can see that at the last of the page it have been come, and now you can write its meaning. For example, we have written this. Now here is the word. You can see that the meaning you have written is displayed over there. So this is the use of both. You can use insert footnote to write a meaning or anything related to that word in the same page, and if you are using or inserting endnote, then the meaning of that word or anything related to that word will be displayed at the last of the page of your document. So this is the difference between footnote and endnote. You can use this to move. For example, if you want to go to next footnote, you can click here and you can jump over to next footnote. We have only inserted one footnote, so let us insert one more. For a document we are going to insert second footnote, and we are going to write anything related to it. Now if we'll go to next footnote, then it will automatically highlight this next footnote. For example, previous footnote, here it is, document. Again we'll insert a previous footnote, then the first footnote have been appear. So by using this you can go to next or previous. You can use this. Same way you can go to next and endnote, previous or next. Just as like you have gone in footnote, in the same way you can use this endnote to go to previous endnote or go to next endnote. Show nose, you can use this to show the nose. For example, if you click here, then there will be option that you want to view footnote area or endnote area. Wherever you want to go, just select it and click OK. It will directly move to that footnote. Same way you can go to endnote also. For example, you click on show note and here click endnote area and just click OK. You will be directly moved to the endnote area segment. So this was the use of footnote. Once again, let us understand it. The first use, insert footnote, is always been used to write a meaning or any related word at the same page bottom line. You can use insert endnote to write any meaning or related to that word, anything. You can write it at the last of the page. For example, you have 200 page, then wherever you write, it does not matter, it will directly go to the last 200 page number. So this was the use of insert endnote. Next footnote, you can use this to move next or previous footnote or endnote. And at last, show notes, you can use this to see your note. If you want to see your footnote area, just click on footnote area, and if you want to see your endnote area, click on endnote and click OK. So this was the use of footnote. Hope you like this, and if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment section box. We'll remake this video in Hindi also, so the viewers who did not understand it in English, you can go to my next video which will be in Hindi. So thank you for watching this, and please like it, subscribe it, and share it to your friends so that they can also use it. Thank you.